Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JLab JBuds Mini and I'm going to tell you how to pair them with your Windows PC. At first you have to click on this Windows logo at the bottom of the screen and here Settings. Now you have to click on Bluetooth and Devices and add device, here Bluetooth, and now you have to open the case lid and take both earbuds out of it. Wait a moment. Here, and now we have to take both earbuds out of it. When they are not paired with any other device, they will automatically go into pairing mode. So now we have to click Show All Devices. Now let's wait. As you can see here, we do see JLab JBuds Mini, and we have to click on our JLab JBuds Mini. Mine are bugged, I don't know why, but you should see only one JLab JBuds Mini, but it works the same. As you can see, now we are connecting, and we can click the second one, and after some time we'll be done. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!